ठीक है, all right, so let's get started. क्या देखना? So basically, in our last lecture we discussed about the all the Linux command. As we know that how Linux play very very important if you want to start the career as a Oracle DBA, because normally in our Oracle DBA our database will be hosted on Linux operating system. So that we have discussed in the last lecture. Now we are going to start again something new, something very interesting, which is again we call it as a SQL. So let me share my screen as I'm always doing, and let's start with the SQL. What is SQL? SQL is structure, query, language. Structure, query, language. Many people are also thinking that does SQL is having any programming kind of skill set? No, SQL is not a programming. It's kind of a programming, but which is related to the database. So we have a databases, like we have multiple databases are available. If I just take the example of multiple RDBMS database, we have a database available in the Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL. So these are the different databases are available in the market. What this database store? Okay, this database store your database transaction. What this store? It database store basically your database transaction. Like let's take an example. I'm going to the bank, I'm doing some transaction. Let's say I'm depositing some 5,000 rupees, I'm withdrawing some 300. I can see in my account I have 10,000 rupees are available. All these are the transactions, right? All these are the transactions. So this transaction needs to be stored somewhere. These transactions needs to be stored somewhere, na? So where these transactions are getting stored? Where these transactions are getting stored? These transactions are getting stored. These transactions are getting stored inside your database only. So database is basically storing a database. Now let's take example. I'm starting my new business. So I started my new business with the name Learnomed Technologies. I want to store my student data because I'm getting a lot of students, right? So I'm getting a students, like monthly we are getting a lot of students who are getting enrolled to our Learnomed. So we start with Oracle DBA, RAC, Golden Gate, data engineer, data analyst. So many students are getting. I want to store their student data, like okay, who has enrolled, how much fees he has paid, all those things I want to do. Okay, so somewhere I need to mention that, right? So I'm storing all those data into the database only. So I visited, like I tried, like okay, which database we should use. In database also multiple vendors are available. So I got to know that okay, there is a company called Oracle. They are also providing Oracle database. MySQL, they are also providing a database. SQL Server, Microsoft product, they are also providing. PostgreSQL, which is open source database. So I got to know that many vendors are available in the market which are providing a database. So among them, the best one which I choose as per my budget also. When I say best, the best will come and it will, like many things are playing an important role. I want free of cost, I'll go with MySQL or PostgreSQL database. I'm ready to pay some money, I'll go with SQL Server. I have very critical database are there, I'll go with the Oracle database. So I'll choose, like the client will choose and they will store their data in the form of tables in the database. They will create a table and they are going to store a data. But if I want to communicate with this database, now like let's say I want to create a table, I want to insert some data, I want to select some data from that table, I want to see the data from that table. We need one language, right? So that language we called it as a SQL. So SQL is a language. SQL is a language which is a common language for your all the database like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL. So this is a common language. So if you are thinking that if I know the Oracle, can I know MySQL also? MySQL, SQL database, SQL, yeah, you can do that. So if I want to create a table in Oracle database, if I want to create a table in MySQL, if I want to create a table in PostgreSQL, usually the syntax is almost same. The syntax wise you will find that it is almost same. There is no much difference, not much difference also. So don't worry about that. So if I want to understand about the SQL, I can take MySQL also, I can take Oracle also, I can take any database. So there is no problem in that. What I will do, first of all, I'll show you how to install the database. In today's lecture, we will see how to install a database. So you can use any operating system, like I'll currently use Windows operating system. In future for Oracle DBA, we will understand Linux operating system. Under that, I'm going to install my Oracle database. In Oracle also, we have multiple versions are there. So right now I'm using Oracle 21C Express Edition. So this is a version which I'm going to show you. So what I will do, first of all, how to download. First of all, just go here and just say here, download Oracle 21C Express Edition. Click here. Then go to the official website of Oracle. Then click on the Windows 64-bit operating system. Click here. Okay. It will start downloading the setup here automatically. You will see that the setup is getting downloaded. I'll close this because this is already downloaded in my personal laptop. So I'll go here. Then बहुत एसिडिटी हुआ है आज. Oracle 19C किधर है? Can you see? Oracle 19C. So this is the zip file you will get. Okay, something like that. You will get the zip file. You just need to unzip that. After unzipping it, just double click on it, and then you will see something called setup.exe. You just need to right click on it, run it as administrator. Okay, right click, run it. You will get the zip file. Okay, you just need to unzip. How to unzip? So something like, let's say this is a zip file. I'll right click, click on extract all, and then you can just click on extract. It will start unzipping like this. So I have already unzipped that. Now I'm getting the error message because this Oracle 21C is already available in my laptop. So that is the reason it is asking me to remove it. In your case, you will not get this option by any chance if you don't have this Oracle 21C on your Windows. So I'm just removing my existing setup, and then I will do the installation of Oracle 21C one more time. Any question?
Are we doing this on Windows or Linux?
Right now we are doing it on Windows. In future we will do it on Linux in Oracle DBA.
Okay.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है? So it is getting on install. Just wait for some time and it will be done. So you guys start doing it. Okay, go to the here, just let me send you the link also. I think this is going to take some time. Just double click on it in setup, right click, run it as administrator, say next. in one location it will ask you to enter the password of Oracle. So you can mention the password of Oracle as Oracle only. So it will ask you to enter the password of sys user and system user, which are your administrator user. Just keep the password as Oracle only. Oracle, small letter. Okay, just keep the password as Oracle. अरे यार इसको भी बड़ा टाइम लग रहा, सोचा था जल्दी. Today we will just do the installation, and from tomorrow we will start with the actual stuffs. I think it's almost done now. Okay, finish. Just go here, right click, run it as administrator, and let me do the installation. Accept the license agreement, click on next. In which location you want to install, by default C drive, that's fine. Enter the password of sys user, Oracle. Just like in Linux we have root user is there, which is the administrator user. Similar way in the database, Oracle database, there is a user called sys user. He can start database, he can stop database, he can do all the operations. Okay, now this window will be there for next 30-40 minutes like this. Okay, you don't need to do, maybe you'll get a prompt message to say allow, say yes, and don't do anything. Once this installation is completed, open the command prompt like this and just fire the command like SQL plus slash as sysdb, and if press enter, if after pressing enter, if you are able to see SQL prompt here, SQL prompt, now I'm not getting because my installation is in progress. If you get SQL prompt here, then your installation is done. Okay, 1 minute guys. So it will be like this only. Okay, if you open the command prompt and if you are able to see SQL prompt here, your installation is done. Okay, you're absolutely done. So today let's stop here only. Okay, let's connect in the because we need the installation first, and then I'll talk about the practical scenario of SQL. Okay, even I have acidity today, my back is paining like anything. So that's what. Okay, let's close this installation, um and let's connect in the next lecture. Okay, thanks guys. Any question?
So, do you have a session tomorrow or on Monday?
Tomorrow कौन सा दिन है?
Friday.
मैं कल टिकट निकालूंगा, 10 बजे किस तरह को जाऊंगा मैं, mostly not, but I will let you know. Okay, mostly not, let's see. Okay, thanks guys, bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Ankush. Take care.
Please complete the instruction guys. Okay, that's very important. Thanks.